My good people, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're staying safe and clean and sanitized. My name is Byrce DJ Klasiq and welcome back to your favorite online entertainment news bulletin, Hot Off the Streets. Yes, this is proudly brought to you by Nice Entertainment. So if you are new to Nice Entertainment's YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on so that you stay up to date for these and other stories. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are here on the Maskandi FC and Hip Hop FC match that took place recently. So Mzansi was left thrilled after Maskandi FC and Hip Hop FC took to the football field to battle it out for the champions in the music scene. So organized by Big Zulu and Khuzani, some of the biggest artists, actors, personalities joined in the fun that many fans didn't think it would be as entertaining. So earlier this week, the lineup was announced by Big Zulu and some of the artists, with the teams representing Maskandi and Hip Hop. So the Hip Hop lineup had Big Zulu, aka Donald Questa, Ricky Rick, Shoma Josie, Blackie, Touchline, and many more. On the Maskandi lineup, Khuzani, Ntekani, Inkosi Yamagxokoma, Njogo, Dumakahle, Jiva Zimnike, and many more. So the match ended with a draw of 2 goals each from each team, which later was taken by Hip Hop, which won 4-3 on penalties. It was such a beautiful moment for Mzansi, with 45,000 plus viewers on the live stream of the match. We wish to see more people coming up like this, and we would love to have another match. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have watched the match, please share your thoughts and comments about these and other stories in the box below, and please make sure that you share this video with your friends, family, and whoever, and stay sanitized, stay safe. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Byrce DJ Klasiq, and this was Hot Off the Streets Entertainment News Bulletin, which was brought to you by Nice Entertainment.
What's a penalty, sir?
What a penalty, I just stepped up and, I just focused on the top corner. The keeper tried to intimidate me, but, Hip Hop, we are made of steel, we are made of iron. It was a game of two halves. I just want to thank my wife and my girlfriend.
Come here.
Yes.
Ample penalty. We didn't win in the game. You won in a penalty.
Yes, so we're the ones with the cup. Let me go celebrate with my team.
You got that looking. This great man. Goes to Donald. Donald. Goes to Donald. Good night, Maskandi. This keeps over penalty. No, but never capaz with Maskandi Pola. And Bawan Name. I spawned Donald. How